Are you having a hard time getting sharp and focused images using your Samsung phone or tablet? While this issue is not widespread, many users are reporting encountering camera issues with their Samsung devices all the time. In this video, we'll show you what you can do if you are getting blurry camera issue on your Samsung. Samsung phones and tablets, even those that aren't premium, have good cameras to capture pictures. All you have to do is press the shutter button. There should be no focusing difficulties unless you try to manually adjust the focus using the Pro function inside the camera app. You may be able to shift the focus on some Samsung phones by touching on the screen or following the on-screen prompts. For example, the live focus function on Samsung Galaxy handsets may warn you that you need to be at least 3 feet away from the subject to acquire appropriate focus. If you don't know how to correctly establish focus in your images, following these techniques can make your life easier. If your images are still out of focus after utilizing the automated functions, it might be due to a software problem. In certain extremely rare circumstances, faulty hardware might be to blame. Many Android users do not consider updates to be a problem-solving tool, yet they are. Google, Samsung, and other app developers are continually updating their products to make them better. Android OS, for example, receives updates and upgrades on a regular basis. Apps are the same way. You may check the program settings menu or browse to the Galaxy Store app for updates for default Samsung apps like the Camera app. You can also update the Samsung Camera app with these steps. Open the Camera app. Go to Settings. Go to About Camera. Turning on and off your Samsung smartphone, as well as rebooting your app, might occasionally help with camera issues. Restarting the app clears problems and refreshes the system. You might try forcing the Camera app to force close and see if the problem goes away. It's also a good idea to make sure you're running the most recent Android OS version when it comes to camera issues. All you have to do now is keep an eye out for fresh software upgrades. To manually check for updates, go to Settings, go to Software Update, go to Download and Install. If a required linked app or service is deactivated, the app may not function correctly. This can happen after an update, as a result of a user accidentally shutting off apps, or as a result of malware. Reset app options to ensure that all default applications are activated. This will not wipe any personal data, so you may do it without fear of losing your data. Open Settings app. Tap Apps. Tap on the 3-dot icon at the upper right. Select Reset App Preferences. Tap Reset to proceed with the reset. Clearing the cache and data of the Camera app might help in this situation. When you clear an app's cache, you're getting rid of temporary files that are solely connected with that program. Clearing app data is more extreme because it resets the app to its factory defaults. All app updates will be removed, so make sure you check for updates for the Camera app later. Open Settings app. Tap Apps. Find the Camera app. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Restart the Camera app and check for the problem. If the pictures are still blurry, repeat the steps and clear the data as well. The last but not least option is to perform a factory reset. This method has been shown to be helpful in resolving all types of blurry camera issues on Samsung smartphones caused by faulty software or apps. Open Settings app. Tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset button. Enter your screen lock. Tap Delete All. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.